Ya, selamat datang Bang Ridwan Hanif di Aceh ya, dari Jakarta. Sudah sampai memakai expander cross. Ya. Ini expander rasa BMW gitu ya. Joknya BMW. Kita jumpa juga ya.
It isn't something we found for. Never wanted this kind of pain. Telling myself so good and heartless, but one thing you should know.
Tapi dalamnya rasa BMW ya. Nah, mobil ram duduknya mantap banget ya. Duduknya sudah BMW. Just mantap ya.
Countless pain, and all I know that this love's a blessing, 'cause everything has changed. It all happened for a reason. Down from the first stage, it isn't something we found.